Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm making garden eggs with kontomire stew. So I have my kontomire here, some garden eggs, my onion, an egg, tomatoes and green chili pepper. So I have washed all this and I'm just going to cook it right away. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and also share my video to family and friends. I also have my yam on my stove, which I'll be eating with my stew. Straightforward, I'll just add some palm oil with momoni and I'll add some chopped onions for it to get fried. I don't want Kobe, that is the salted fish, so I'm using corned beef instead of the Kobe. And the ideal for this recipe is the Kobe, but due to the plenty salt content, I don't like it. So I just added a little salt into this palm oil, and within some few minutes I will switch off the flame for it to sit for a while. So my yam, my garden eggs, my kontomire and tomatoes are completely cooked. So it is time for me to grind all this together. After grinding, I'll quickly add my palm oil that I fried some onions in it into the grounded mixture. I'll add a little salt again to this and I'll grind it together. I lost a portion of my video, so you'll not be seeing how I will be adding my palm oil into this. So please bear with me. This is my first time making this recipe and I enjoyed it so much because it is not native to my region. We have various regions in Ghana and each region has a typical food that is unique to the people there. Ours is tuwo zafi, that is TZ, with ayoyo soup, para soup or okra soup. So this is the palm oil I was talking about. I just added it here. I will then add my yam and my egg. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. See you next time. Bye.